good morning. It's Sunday today. We are here in Brisbane, and we're staying here. This is our first day actually. We're staying here in I think it's an Airway hotel, and the weather is not really good, so I don't know. Probably we just go to Brisbane Central, and so this is the place where we stay right now. So that's the hotel. It's not so fancy, but it's okay. Hello, we are here in Kangaroo Point in Brisbane. Yeah, this is Kangaroo Point. Yeah. So this is the Cliff Boardwalk River South. So dito tayo. Yun. Ito palang ano dito eh. Uy! Patakot? Oh! Very stiff. Oo, grabe. Yeah. Dahil lang. Dahil lang. Nandito na kami sa baba ng park. Yan. Doon ako nag-video kanina sa taas. Okay. River tour. Baka bukas din tayo. River tour. Hello, we are here in Gold Coast right now. Nandito tayo sa isang beach. Ang opposite side nito is the Surfers Paradise. Pupunta tayo doon mamaya. Ano pa lang muna. Yan. Papahinga muna tayo dito. Kasi galing sa biyahe. Medyo ngayon, makulimlim panahon. Weather is not that good, so it's okay. Basta hindi lang uulan. Yan. That's the Surfers Paradise in Gold Coast. Medyo muulan yata doon. And this is the other side of the beach. Ayan. Kulimlim talaga. Might be raining soon. So right now we're here in Rhodes House here in Gold Coast. Bisita lang. Dito ang bahay nila. Dito kami kina Rod ngayon. Ito yung handa nila Rod Yami. Ito, yan. Kami ang ano, pasit ni Nana.
Kada alis niya, nalagay dyan. Say hi. Ano? Wait lang. Say hi to
So, good morning. Actually, it's good noon. Right now, we are here in Mount Kutha Summit lookout here in Brisbane. This is another lookout that we have to go. Medyo makulim yun doon, but so this is, I think, much better than the other one that we went yesterday. Yeah. Mas maganda yung view dito.
I remember it was in the summer.
So, sana makita niyo. Medyo makulimlim doon sa ano, sa city mismo. Yan. Tapos dito merong mga ano dito, restaurant. Yan. Okay naman. So right now we're here in Ipswich to visit one of my friend, Hinaro Katorla. This is in Ipswich, and then yeah, we're gonna knock the door right now. Let's see. So dito kami ngayon sa bahay ni Isang, palasyo ni Isang at saka ni Hinaro. Ito. Yan. Mga ano yan, mga gel blaster. Former Team Warhawks. 15 years ago.
Oo. May ano kasi may bukol. Pero na biopsy na.
2000 ano tayo dito, 2009, 16 years ago. Yung ano, ito yung kwarto ni former Team Warhawks specialist airsoft. Ito yung mga ano niya. Tignan mo naman yung ano niya, oh. Armory. Armory. Yan, oh. Tignan mo naman. Mukhang nakakaingit.
Lipat ka na ng June. Lipat na ng Ipswich ng Queensland.
Where is my favorite? Ayun, ang G36.
Ayun.
That's my gun. Ayan, oh.
Ayan. I mean, June, may ano ka na Facebook.
Ito yung mga ano, mga team medyo bata noong unang panahon, pero ngayon ano na, team medyo matanda. Ano lang kami, nagmi-meeting.
Middle age.
Meeting kami kasi ano, matagal hindi nagkita eh. Naghihintay na kami ng in-order namin na ano, pagkain online.
Anong pangalan ng ano mo?
I-type mo lang Gaudensio, di matulak.
Maraming show.
So this is the Hinaro celebration. Ito yung ano namin.
Make an alignment.
Yes,
from
that's true.
New South Wales, alignment from Adelaide, and alignment from that place.
Ito yung ano namin ngayon, pagkain, ano natin, low fat diet, okay?
Low fat,
diet na ito. Less grease, yan. Chicken, okay.
Buwis buhay.
Wala nang buwis buhay na pagkain dito. Okay? Hello, time to go home. Si Napol, uwi na rin sila sa Adelaide.
Tapos i-timer natin ng ilan.
Yan.
Ilang seconds.
Against the light.
Oh, ganda yan.
mistisa tayo.
Pangit naman.
Saan?
Rani kang tinulap.
Yan, yan.
Uy,
Saan?
Okay lang yan.
Jude!
Ah,
Wala.
Jude! Jude! Dito.
Ganyan, yan. Mas maganda dito ang
Ganyan. Greenery.
oh, ano yung lights. Yan.
Kita ba tayo dyan?
Oh, kita. Dito na lang tayo.
O,